Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths chapter number 2 Operations on Large Numbers session 13. In previous lecture we have done exercise 2.3. Now continue this exercise 2.3 and will continue division of large number. Now, question number 4. A school purchased 12,842 chairs and table sets for the classrooms. एक स्कूल है जिसने 12,842 चेयर और टेबल का सेट खरीदे हैं. If each chair and table set cost rupees 775 each, मतलब एक जो सेट है चेयर और टेबल का एक सेट है उसकी प्राइस कितनी है 775. हर एक की प्राइस कितनी है 775. What amount was spent by the school in buying the set? तो हम लोग ने जो 12,842 सेट खरीदे हैं उसकी टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी होगी वो हमें बतानी है. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो हाउ कैन वी मल्टीप्लाई? फर्स्ट this is a multiplicand and this is a multiplier. So first we write multiplicand 12,842. ये क्या है हम लोग के टेबल और चेयर्स के सेट. अब हम लोग उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं किससे 775. सो इधर लिखेंगे हम लोग 775. As we know in multiplication we always start from rightmost. In rightmost we have 5, so we multiply 12,842 by 5. So first 5 multiply 2, it is 10. So we write 0 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 5 multiply 4, it is 20, and when we add 1 to it, it is 21. So we write 1 here and 2 goes to carry. Next we have 5 multiply 8, it is 40. 40 plus 2, it is 42. So we write 2 here and 4 goes to carry. Next we have 5 multiply 2, it is 10. When we add 4 to it, it is 40. So 4 here and 1 here. Next we have 5 multiply 1, it is 5. And when we add 1, it is 6. Now next number, this is 7 and it is in tens place. So we put 1 0 over here, and now we start multiplication. 7 multiply 2, 14. So 4 here and 1 here. 7 multiply 4, 28. And when we add 1 to it, it is 29. So 9 here and 2 here. Next we have 7 multiply 8. It is 56. 56 added 2 is 58. We write 8 here and 5 goes to carry. Next we have 7 multiply 2. It is 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So 9 here and 1 here. Next we have 7 multiply 1. It is 7. When we add 1 to it, it is 8. So in this way we have to multiply by this 7. But this is in hundreds place, so we put 2 0 at the right. Now we start multiply. 7 multiply 2, it is 14. So we write 4 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 7 multiply 4, 28. When we add 1 to it, it is 29. So we write 9 here and 2 goes to carry. Next we have 7 multiply 8, it is 56. 56 added 2 is 58. So we write 8 here and 5 goes to carry. Next we have 7 multiply 2, it is 14. When we add 5 to it, it is 19. So we write 9 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 7 multiply 1. It is 7, and when we add 1 to it, it is 8. Now we multiply these 3 digits by this number. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. So in initial we have 0, 0, 0. So we write 0. Next we have 1, 4 and 0. It is 5. Next we have 2, 9 and 4. It is 15. So we write 5 here and 1 goes to carry. Okay, next we have 1, 4, 8, 9. So addition of 1, 4, 8 and 9 is 22. So we write 2 here and 2 goes to carry. Next we have 2, 6, 9 and 8. Addition of this is 25. So we write 5 here and 2 goes to carry. Next we have 2, 8 and 9. So addition of this is 19. So we write 9 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 1 and 8. So it is 9. So our product is 99,52,550. So we write, so the total amount of sets is rupees, how much rupees? 99,52,550. 99,52,550. Okay. Now question number 5. There are 245 employees in a company. एक कंपनी है, उसमें 245 एम्प्लॉइज हैं. The average salary per employee is 13,650 rupees. Average salary. तो एवरेज सैलरी मतलब होता है कि उनकी सबकी मिला के अगर एवरेज निकाला जाए तो कितनी आती है? 13,650 रुपीज तो उनकी सैलरी है पर मंथ. What amount is spent by the company on paying the salary in a month? अब कंपनी कितनी अमाउंट पे करेगी उनको पर मंथ, वो हमें बताना है. तो इसमें भी क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. किसका किसका? 13,650 का 245 के साथ. तो इट इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेंट एंड इट इज अ मल्टीप्लायर. सो हियर वी राइट 1, 3, 6, 5, 0. That is 13,650 and we have multiplied 245. So we write 2, 4, 5. As we know, we have to start from rightmost, and rightmost we have 5. So 5 multiply 0 is 0. 5 multiply 5, it is 25. So we write 5 here and 2 goes to carry. Next we have 4. Next we have 5 multiply 6. So it is 30, and when we add 2 to it, it is 32. 2 here and 3 here. Next we have 5 multiply 3. It is 15. When we add 3 to it, it is 18. So we write 8 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 5 multiply 1. It is 5, and when we add 1 to it, it is 6. Next we have 4. 4 it is in tens place. So we put 1, 0 over here, and when we start multiplying this, 4 multiply 0. It is 0. 4 multiply 5. It is 20. So we write 0 here and 2 goes to carry. Next we have 4 multiply 6. It is 24, and when we add 2 to it, it is 26. So we write 6 here and 2 here. Next we have 4 multiply 3. It is 12. 12 and 2 is 14. So we write 4 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 4 multiply 1. It is 4, and when we add 1 to it, it is 5. Next we have 2, and 2 is in hundreds place. So we put 2 zeros. Next starting 2 multiply 0. it is 0. 2 multiply 5, it is 10. So we write 0 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 2 multiply 6, it is 12. 12 and 1 is 13. So we write 3 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 2 multiply 3, it is 6, and when we add 1 to it, it is 7. Next we have 2 multiply 1, it is 2. So we write 2. Now we have to add these three numbers. So as we know, we have to start from rightmost. It is 0, 0, 0. So we write 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 0, 0, 2, 8, 6, 0. It is 14. So we write 4 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 1, 6, 4, 3. So it is 14. So we write 4 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 1, 5, 7. So it is 13. So we write 3 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 1 and 2. So it is 3. So product of these two numbers are 33,44,250. Now we write, so the company spent rupees, how much? 33,44,250 for salary. Okay. Now question number 9. A truck can carry 450 wheat bags. अब एक ट्रक है जिसमें 450 wheat bags आ सकती है. If there were 212 trucks, कितनी trucks? 212 trucks. How many bags can be carried in total? तो टोटल कितने बैग्स हम लोग 212 ट्रक्स में ले सकते हैं, कैरी कर सकते हैं, वो हमें बताना है. सो दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेंट and this is multiplier. So we have to multiply this and this. So let's start. First we write 450 multiply 212. So in this we always start from rightmost. In rightmost we have 2. So we have to multiply 450 by 2. So let's start. 2 multiply 0. It is 0. 2 multiply 5. It is 10. So we write 0 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 2 multiply 4. It is 8. And when we add 1 to it, it is 9. Next we have 1. It is in tens place. So we put 1, 0. Now starting 1 multiply 0. So it is 0. 1 multiply 5. It is 5. 1 multiply 4. It is 4. Next we have 2. It is in hundreds place. So we put 2 zeros. 1, 2. Next we have 2 multiply 0. It is 0. 2 multiply 5. It is 10. So we put 0 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 2 multiply 4. It is 8. And when we add 1 to it, it is 9. Now we have to add these three numbers. We have to start from rightmost. In rightmost we have 0, 0, 0. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 5, 0. It is 14. So we write 4 here and 1 goes to carry. Next we have 1, 4, 0. So it is 5. Next we have 9. So we write 9. So product of these two numbers are 95,400. So we write, so 212 trucks can carry How much? 95,400 wheat bags. Okay? Now, division of large numbers. अब हम क्या सीखेंगे? डिवीजन मतलब डिवाइडिंग. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिवीजन. इसके अंदर क्या है? प्रॉपर्टीज, डिवीजन की प्रॉपर्टीज. फर्स्ट नंबर, व्हेन एनी नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय इटसेल्फ द क्वोशिएंट इज 1. हमें क्या बताया गया है? जब कोई भी नंबर उसी नंबर से, इटसेल्फ मतलब वही नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्वोशिएंट मतलब उसका आंसर क्या आता है? 1 आता है. एग्जाम्पल, 685 डिवाइडेड बाय 685 गिव्स 1. हम लोगों को क्या बताया गया है? जब 685 को डिवाइड करते हैं 685 से तो हम लोग का क्वोशिएंट क्या आता है? 1 आता है. So this is the 685 and this is also 685. So both the numbers are same and we divide it, so we get 1. Next, second number, when any number is divided by 1 the quotient is the number itself. अब इसमें क्या बताया गया है? जब हम लोग कोई भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, किससे डिवाइड करते हैं? 1 से, the quotient is the number itself. तो जो आंसर, क्वेश्चन मतलब जो उसका आंसर आता है वो क्या होता है? नंबर सेम होता है, मतलब नंबर ही आता है वापस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 228 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. हम लोग ने 228 को 1 से डिवाइड किया तो हमें क्वेश्चन मतलब आंसर क्या मिला? 228. तो 228 हम लोग का क्वेश्चन भी है, 228 हम लोग का क्या है? डिविडेंड भी है. तो ये दोनों हमेशा सेम होते हैं जब हम लोग 1 से उसको डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके? नाउ थर्ड नंबर, व्हेन 0 इज डिवाइडेड बाय एनी नंबर द क्वोशिएंट इज ऑलवेज 0. हमें क्या बताया गया है कि जब हम लोग 0 को डिवाइड करते हैं कोई भी नंबर से, कोई भी मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन, तो उसका क्वोशिएंट मतलब आंसर क्या आता है? हमेशा 0 आता है. तो एग्जाम्पल, 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 549. वी टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 549. सो जब हम लोग 0 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 549 से तो हम लोग का क्वोशिएंट क्या आ रहा है? 0, मतलब आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 0. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ नंबर, डिवाइडिंग एनी नंबर बाय 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इसमें क्या बताया गया है हम लोग को कि जब भी हम लोग कोई भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं, कोई भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? नॉट पॉसिबल, यानी ऐसा हम लोग कर ही नहीं सकते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल, 1 डिवाइड बाय 0 इक्वल्स टू नॉट डिफाइंड, मतलब कि हम लोग का ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके? नाउ डिवीजन बाय अ 2 डिजिट नंबर. हमें क्या पता करना है अभी? डिवीजन यानी डिवाइड करना है 2 डिजिट नंबर से. तो हम लोग के पास एग्जांपल है, डिवाइड 3,02,625 बाय 45. हमें इस नंबर को डिवाइड करना है 45 से. सो फर्स्ट वी नो दैट 45 इज द लार्जर नंबर, सो वी हैव टू फर्स्ट लर्न द टेबल ऑफ 45. सो it is the simplest method to learn the table. First we write the table of 4 and then we write table of 5. Now always remember that हमेशा याद रखना है हमें कि वंस प्लेस जो होगी 45 की टेबल की वो ऑलवेज क्या होगी? 5 की वन प्लेस. जो पीछे वाला नंबर होता है वही उसकी जो वन प्लेस है वही हम लोग की 45 की टेबल की भी वंस प्लेस होगी. तो फर्स्ट हम लोग यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं वंस प्लेस 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. तो ये हम लोग के वंस प्लेस है 5 की टेबल की. और ये वंस प्लेस है 45 की टेबल की। ठीक है, अब हम लोग को क्या है 4 की टेबल और जो 5 की टेबल में टेंस प्लेस पे हो उनको एडिशन करना है। तो 5 की टेबल में फर्स्ट पे टेंस प्लेस पे कुछ नहीं है, तो हम लोग डायरेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएंगे 4 की टेबल में, हम लोग ये 4 सेम का सेम लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट 5 की टेबल में टेंस प्लेस पे क्या है 1, सो वी ऐड 8 and 1, so it is 9, so we write here 9. Next we have 1 in tens place of 5 table, so we add 1 and 12, so it is 13, so we write here 13. Next we have 2 and we add 16, so it is 18, so we write 18. Next we have 2 and here it is 20, so it is 22, so we write 22. Next we have 3 and here 24, so it is 24 and 3 is 27, so we write 27. Next we have 3 and 28, so it is 31, so here 31. Next we have 4 and 32, so it is 36. Next we have 4 and 36, so it is 40. Here we write 40. Next we have 5 and 40, so it is 45. So here we write 45. So it is a table of 45. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4, 5, 6, 7s, 8s, 9s and 10s. Okay. Now we continue this division of this number. So here we write 3,02,625 and here 45. Now first we start, it is a 2-digit number, so first we see 2 digit, this and this, so it is 30. So 30 is smaller than 45, so we will take 3 digits, so 302, that is 302. Now we see that here it is a 302 number, no, here it is 270, which is smaller than 302. How many times it comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So we write 6 times 270. Next, we have to subtract, as we know. Subtraction of this is 2, subtract 0 is 2. Next we have 0 subtract 7. So it is not possible, so we borrow, it becomes 10 and it becomes 2. So 10 subtract 7 is 3 and next 2 subtract 2 is 0. Next V comes 6. So 6 comes and here next number is 326. Again we go there and check that 315 is smaller than 326. So we count 1s, 2s, 3s, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is its 7 time, that is 350. Next we have to subtract this. 6 subtract 5 is 1, 2 subtract 1 is 1 and 3 subtract 3 is 0. Next number is 2, so we write 2 here. Our number is 112, so we check here. Our number is 90 is smaller than 112, so it comes as 1 and 2, so 2 times. 2 times 90. So now we subtract this. 2 subtract 0 is 2. Now 1 subtract 9 is not possible, so we borrow from another number. It is 0 and it is 11. Now 11 subtract 9 is 2. So we write 2 here and here it is 0 as usual. Next number is 5, so we take 5. So our number is 225. Now we check again here that there is a 225. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in 5 times 225. Now we have to subtract this. It is 0, it is 0 and it is 0. So from this we can get quotient 6725. In this we have dividend. This is divisor. And this is remainder. So as this we have to solve the division of large numbers. Okay. Thank you.